Hi kids, grab your markers. Grab your markers and hold them tight. We are going to start driving vehicles. Are you ready? Let's begin. What am I driving now? Look carefully. Is it a truck? Is it a big truck? No, it's not a truck. It's an ambulance. Yes, it's an ambulance. Say it with me. Ambulance. Ambulance. Is it big? Yes, it's big. It's a big ambulance. A big ambulance. Let's color the ambulance pink. Pink, pink, pink. Color the ambulance pink. Great coloring. Now, look again. What am I driving? Something very interesting. Something big. Can you guess? Can you guess? It's a fire truck. Yes, a fire truck. Say it with me. Fire truck. Fire truck. It's a big red fire truck. A big fire truck. Let's color the fire truck red. Red, red, red. Color it red. Beautiful red fire truck. Great job. Let's color the fire truck red. It's a big red fire truck. Good work, kids. Let's color it. Now, what is this? Look up in the sky. What is this? What could it be? It looks different. It has blades. Can you guess? It's a helicopter. Yes, a helicopter. Say it with me. Helicopter. Helicopter. It's a fast helicopter. A big helicopter. Let's color the helicopter orange. 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 Color it orange. Fantastic job. Yes, a helicopter. Helicopter. Fast helicopter. Good work, kids. And now, what am I driving? Can you guess? Look at the wheels, look at the lights. Can you guess? It's a police car. Yes, it's a police car. Say it with me. Police car. Police car. It's a fast police car. A blue police car. Let's color the police car blue. Blue, blue, blue. Color it blue. Amazing coloring. Great job. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep guessing. Yes, it's a police car. Let's color it. See you in next stories in color. Subscribe for more. Bye.